Andersen's Little Mermaid, 40 by 61 cm with free magenta crystals. This is a painting by Medusa the Doll Maker, and we have now embellished it with the DIYMOON shop free special beads, and in this case chosen by the customer is magenta crystals. So when this design first came out, this came with the option of 2 different kinds of free crystals, and she has chosen the magenta. So the suggestion is to sprinkle it in the pink areas, and it's very difficult to go wrong here because the way the magenta crystals are, you can pretty much place it anywhere and it's going to look like she is glistening underwater. So feel free to experiment with how you will place your magenta crystals, but here is an example of one outcome using your DIYMOON shop free special beads.